Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hold on. Before we get started, hold on. All right, y'all. Good morning. I'm back. Good. Listen, y'all know what it is. All right. Good morning, y'all. So, the time is it's 7:18. No, no. Let me see. Can you see it? The time is in red on my forehead. Hold on. Hold on. Can you see it? Time is 7:18. I woke up. I fell asleep at like 8:30. And I woke up at 2 a.m. and I've been up ever since. And I have to clock in an hour and some change. However, before I try to make myself get like an hour of sleep, um, one of my Amazon packages came in today. Hold on. I'm trying to open this so I can open that. So y'all just hold on. I got a new pack of roses and I'll use the pink ones on my brows and my face. The brand new is still in the cover. And cut my laces. And then I'm going to use this one to open this box. So I have started what I am calling, I'm starting to build my aesthetic and build my surroundings how I want it to be. I would call it almost like nesting. But, I aspire to be on Jackie Aina status. That is my aspirations. I want the Jackie Aina through the ebony lens is how I would like it. So to that end, I have started um, purchasing some things that I think that I like and that are practical and would make sense. Now I ordered this yesterday and it arrived at 7 o'clock this morning. Shout out to Free Same Day Shipping. I'm still waiting on my Sephora. And I ordered some other stuff from Amazon. I ordered a new camera. We're getting a new camera, a vlogging camera. We ordered some bundles. So I'm planning a hair situation in a few. We'll discuss that in a minute. So the first thing in the box, I wanted some oversized glass tea mugs because I have the tea. I got some organic raspberry leaf tea, and I have some organic raw honey. What is this? My baby is texting me. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. I got these on Amazon. Okay, this one is approaching with my breakfast, so we're gonna speed this up because I'm gonna eat something and I'm gonna try and lay down for like an hour and 45 minutes before I have to clock in. So I'm not completely exhausted. If I might do a vlog making me a big ass cup of tea because it's the size of my head. Look at it. It's the little things. It is the little things. I'm definitely using this today. Definitely using these today. Ah, it's so everything. All right. I also got seen these, and I've been wanting one for a minute. It's an electric tea kettle. So I now have my teapot and my teacups. I have my tea. I have my raw honey. Excited. You hear me? Excitable. Hercules. Hercules. Okay. But yeah, I just wanted to come by and show y'all my teacups and my tea kettle. I'm excited. I have like one of those huge water cup um, water bottles coming to up my water intake because I feel like I'm not getting enough water in my diet. And I feel like if I can fill it up with ice and water and just be sipping on it all day till it's gone, and if I could do that like twice a day, we in good shape. But yeah, ignore the fact that I'm wearing a hat because my lace is lifting, and I'm gonna take this wig off and wash my hair, and then I don't know if I'm gonna reapply that wig or this other human wig that I got. I ain't even cut the lace on her yet. She a little shorty. I know I like the curly natural hair aesthetic, so we might be playing with her this week. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, that's it for now. I'm I don't know. I gotta check and see if the episode came out. I got where my tea go? Oh, it's on the floor. See, I got my raw honey. Um, I just lost my complete train of thought. Chasing Atlanta. I'm gonna do my review for that sometime today. Maybe I'll be sipping my raspberry tea and honey and all those good things with the aesthetic and watch it. And we'll do the review that way. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got for right now. I see y'all later. Now I did get these products for because it's real hair. So I got Miracle Curl Second Day Curl Activator and a Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil for my human hair wig, and I got some mousse. So we gonna see if we can make it do what it do. We gonna see what we can do. Um, waiting for the Red Bull to kick in, but other than that, I'll see y'all later. I love y'all.